Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke and in today's video it is time for a new nail polish of the week. In these particular videos I talk about and live swatch one particular nail polish color and just have some fun while at it. So grab your nail stuff yourself and paint your nails together with me. But first of all, if you haven't subscribed yet, I would highly appreciate it if you would do so. I would love to welcome you all to my little nail family here online, and yeah, it's just really appreciated. But first of all, I'm going in with the smoothing base coat by Holo Taco. I've mentioned this in a couple of my previous nail polish of the week videos that I pretty much like it. It's not like super good in like protecting my nails from staining. As you can see here, my nails are always a little bit discolored because I wear nail polishes so often and just actually all the time. But yeah, it does do a pretty good job when it comes to filling in any ridges or anything like that, and it just gives a very smooth and nice surface to the nail before you go in with your colored polish. So yeah, just a little disclaimer in this video, I actually recorded this footage the same day that I broke my thumbnail, and after I broke my thumbnail on my left hand, I just decided to shorten them all for like a lot of millimeters. Let's just put it at that. I just didn't want to cut them all super short because my thumb broke like right on the smile line. Fortunately, it wasn't painful, there wasn't any blood or anything going on, but yeah, sometimes it happens. Sometimes a nail breaks and I'm just really happy it only happens like once or twice a year for me personally. So yeah, but let's continue to the polish that I'm going to use. I just showed you here real quick which one I am using. This one is from Essence, from the Shine Last and Go collection, and it is number 60, Crazy in Love. I have already showed you this polish together with 7 other new shades from the Spring Summer collection update by Essence Cosmetics in like one big video where I swatched every single new color that I got. I actually purchased this one myself and I am just such a big Essence Cosmetics fan, especially when it comes to their nail products. Like their makeup is really cool, really cute, and actually decent like quality as well. Especially if you think about the prices, they're really inexpensive, they are vegan, they are cruelty free and all that jazz. I just really love it. They use a lot of natural ingredients as well, but the quality is just really good, and once again they are very budget friendly. So yeah, this color Crazy in Love is like a dusty darker pink, kind of like a mauve color in my opinion. It is so gorgeous, and just look at how opaque this first coat is already. I would say it's like a 95% opaque already, but just to make it clear and just totally perfectly opaque and just flawless, I am going to apply a second layer. But of course, for the first layer I always cap off my edges. You can do that as well. I usually do so with my base coat, my color coat, as well as my top coat. The reason why I cap off my edges is so that my manicure lasts a longer period of time without chipping or tip wear or anything like that, and it just protects the nail a little bit more. Because sometimes, especially if you have a very manual job like I have, I actually work with construction materials and stuff like that. So yeah, it's kind of like rough on the hands usually. You just want to add a little bit more protection to your nails, especially if they are the length like mine were when I recorded this video. But even if you have shorter nails, just make sure you cap off the edges. It just gives a flawless effect and a little bit of extra protection. But here I'm going in with that second coat already. It's just such a beautiful, creamy, dusty, dark rose mauve kind of color. It is quite a difficult color to describe in my opinion because everyone sees it a little bit different, but usually I'm a big fan of dusty rose colors, but most of the times the dusty rose colors that are in the nail polish world are a little bit more a lighter pink, and I feel like there is a little bit of like purple in this one as well. It's a little bit more dark, a little bit more vampy, but still very wearable throughout the entire year, or at least in my opinion. But for the top coat, I'm going in with the Glossy Top Coat by Holo Taco. I love this one as well. Once again, it's a little bit more on the higher price range in my opinion, like $11 or $12, especially if you compare it to a base or top coat by Essence or Catrice. Those are usually around €2.50 to €3, so yeah, that's quite a higher price like compared to those brands. But I really love the base and top coats by Essence and Catrice Cosmetics as well. They're really good, really inexpensive, and they really last long as well. But yeah, this consistency of this particular top coat by Holo Taco is a little bit more thick, but it is quite fast drying, so that is a big plus. And of course, remember to cap off the edges as well with your top coat to make your manicure last really long. But this color, yeah, it's definitely one of my favorites from the new shades that they came out with this spring summer. I'm actually really curious to see what colors they will come out with this fall and winter as well. I really hope to get an update on that once the time is like near fall and winter and stuff like that. So yeah, I am definitely going to keep an eye out for any updates, and if I have any news I will let you know, of course, with a new video. But yeah, this was the entire nail polish of the week video already. I am so obsessed with this color, as I mentioned in the previous video as well, where I swatched the other colors. I'm pretty much crazy in love with this color. It is right up my alley, and I think it suits a lot of different skin tones as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. Stay safe and healthy, and as usual, I would love to see you guys in one of my next videos.